In primetime news this evening, opposition shadow cabinet -3. Peter Bunting and Mark Golding the latest to tender their resignation. Is the Ministry of Health suppressing the number of suspected dengue cases in St. James?
I don't want us to panic.
And more complaints about new business hours in light of the states of public emergency.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day. Herman Green has our preview. Herman?
Thanks, Janella. Local manufacturers separate, making it clear that they are still a major player in the sugar industry. We spoke with this group CEO. I'll have the details later in the business day.
And Jordan Ford, what's happening in sports?
Well, Archie, there'll be a new man calling the shots on the field for the West Indies in limited overs cricket, after Cricket West Indies today announced a replacement for Jason Holder and Carlos Brathwaite. I'll tell you who that is. Primetime Sports Monday.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we're asking, what's your reaction to the outcome of the PNP presidential race?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Stay with us, the news in detail right after this break.